Welcome to a quick demo of the Readiness Tool in the OCMS Portal. You can access the Readiness Tool from Phase 1 Assess. In the Readiness Tool, you'll be assessing impacted audiences to gauge readiness for the change initiative and to understand potential roadblocks so you can take proactive steps to address them. When you first open the Readiness Tool, the system will auto-populate the assessment with all individuals in your target audience. You can also choose a different way to populate the readiness assessment. Once you make your selection, click Regenerate. When assessing readiness for change, you'll typically conduct more than one assessment. You'll begin with the first baseline assessment, Assessment 1. Then you'll conduct change management engagement to ready people for the change. Next, you'll perform another assessment to gauge your progress. I'll show you quickly how to do that. Once you begin gathering metrics, you'll see the Conclude this assessment button. When ready to start your next assessment, click Start New Assessment. Now you'll have Assessment 2. You can add as many assessments as you need for your project. There are 4 key metrics gathered in this tool to generate a readiness level: awareness, acceptance, knowledge, and proficiency. There are 2 ways to populate the metrics. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the individuals or groups. The second is to use our built-in survey. Just click Send a Survey at the top. You'll be taken to the survey template for the readiness assessment. Once all 4 metrics are scored, you'll see an engagement plan. This is generated by the system automatically to save you time and guide you. The engagement plan gives you detailed recommendations on readiness activities. Click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. The outputs of the Readiness Tool drive insightful reporting on the organization's readiness to successfully adopt the required change initiative. Let me show you an example. On the Change Metrics Reports page, the overall readiness level area chart provides a great way to show how high readiness is increasing and low readiness is decreasing due to your change management team's efforts. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Readiness Tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.